How to navigate the benefits and drawbacks of technology in education. Welcome to a video about the role of technology in education. Technology has become increasingly pervasive in today's classrooms, with many educators and experts arguing both for and against the use of technology in education. In this video, we'll look at the potential pros and cons of using technology in the classroom and ensure that all students have access to the digital skills needed to effectively use technology in their studies. Let's get started. How does technology enhance the personalization of learning for students in education? One of the most significant advantages of using technology in education is the ability to personalize learning for students. With the help of technology, educators can now create tailored lesson plans and activities that cater to the unique learning styles and needs of individual students. This means that students can learn at their own pace and in a way that works best for them, rather than being forced to conform to a one-size-fits-all approach. Another advantage of using technology in education is the ability to enhance collaboration and communication among students. With tools such as online forums, video conferencing, and social media, students can now easily connect and work together on projects and assignments, regardless of their physical location. This not only helps to improve their collaboration skills but also allows them to learn from one another and gain new perspectives on the material. In addition to these benefits, technology can also make education more accessible to students. With the help of digital resources, students can now access educational content and resources from anywhere, at any time. This is particularly beneficial for students who may not have access to traditional classroom resources, such as students in remote or underserved areas. What are some potential drawbacks of using technology in education, and how do they impact student learning? Despite these advantages, however, there are also some potential drawbacks to using technology in education. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for students to become too reliant on technology and lose the ability to think critically and independently. Additionally, the use of technology in the classroom can also lead to distractions and decreased attention spans among students. Another potential drawback is the financial cost of incorporating technology into the classroom. While many schools and educational institutions have made significant investments in technology in recent years, not all schools have the resources to do so. This can create disparities in the quality of education between schools and put students at a disadvantage. Finally, there is also the issue of digital literacy and the need for students to have the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively use technology. Without proper training and support, students may struggle to use technology effectively and may not be able to fully take advantage of its benefits. In what ways does the government and the Federal Reserve Bank stimulate the economy, and what impact does it have? Bank plays a crucial role in the economy, especially during times of recession. The government and the Federal Reserve want to stimulate the economy now, and they can make it easier for people to buy a house or finance a car by issuing stimulus checks and lowering interest rates to give the impression that they want to help the general public. However, their ultimate goal is to stimulate the economy, and they do this by encouraging people to spend more money. When consumers spend more money, the economy grows. But who benefits from a growing economy? The business owners and investors do. Not everyone can be a business owner, but anyone can be an investor. This is why financial education is so important, because it allows anyone to start owning a piece of the economy with as little as $100 or even $10. What is the impact of money printing and money producing during a recession on different segments of the population? During a recession, the wealthy go out and buy assets at discounted prices, while the poor and middle class, who are not financially educated, hope for an increase in salary. However, the government and the Federal Reserve Bank come in and stimulate the economy, which ultimately benefits the financially educated and those who own a piece of the economy. The final piece of the puzzle is the hidden tax that needs to be paid to cover the government's and the Federal Reserve Bank's expenses. This happens in every recession, where the government and the Federal Reserve Bank want to pull the economy out of the recession. They do this by stimulating the economy by creating more money through lowering interest rates and flooding the economy with money. The consequence of money printing and money producing is a hidden tax in the form of inflation. If you print more money in the form of stimulus, using lower interest rates, stimulus checks, or flooding the economy with money, there are consequences. The value of each individual dollar goes down, and the price of things go up. This disproportionately benefits the wealthy and the financially educated and disproportionately hurts the financially uneducated and the middle class and the poor. In the face of rampant inflation, comprehending its intricacies and ramifications is imperative to securing financial stability. Tragically, The majority remains unaware of inflation's mechanisms, leading them to bear its tolls blindly. As the value of the currency deteriorates, the cost of living skyrockets, rendering even raises inadequate in keeping pace with the rising expenses of housing, transportation, and daily necessities. This leads to a self-reinforcing cycle in which the working class and the poor become poorer during recessions, not because the rich accumulate assets, but because monetary value is eroded by excess pressure. In conclusion, the financial sector, particularly the government and the Federal Reserve Bank, play a pivotal role in the economy, particularly during times of economic distress. Their goal is to stimulate the economy, but their ultimate objective is to enhance the prosperity of the financially astute and those who hold a stake in the economy. The deceptive inflation tax targets the rich and financially savvy while unfairly penalizing the financially illiterate, the middle class and the poor. Therefore, financial literacy is essential for everyone to have a place in the economy and to understand the inflation that costs the uninformed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.